चलो लेट हाँ, after this chapter we have to start simple interest. Simple interest, and after simple interest we will start triangle. Okay, चलो 12D which problem? 14th. 14th. If 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number, the result is 16. Find the number. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. So what is given? If I subtracted from 3 times of a number, 3 times of a number means 3 into x. From 3 times of a number we subtract 5 means minus 5. 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number. So first I will write 3 times of a number, and from 3 times of a number I will subtract 5. So when 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number, the result means equal to, the result is 16. Find the number. Is it clear? 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number. So I will not write 5 minus 3x, because subtract a from b means we write b minus a. Okay. My dear, who is writing leave license agreement, I will remove. Okay, nothing should be written. Atharva, what you writing? Atharva Gamande, what you writing? Leave license. I will not tolerate. And I will not admit next time. Please, nothing should be written in the chat box. This is my strict warning to all of you. Nothing should be written, nothing promotion. Atharva, please. Yes. What is given in 14th? If 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number, the result is 16. Find the number. If 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number, the result is 16. So we have to subtract 5 from which? From 3 times of a number. So let the number be x. So 3 times of a number, we subtract 5, the result is means equal to 16. So 3 into x means 3x minus 5 is equal to 16. So whenever you have equality sign, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. On left hand side it is minus 5. So when I will take minus 5 on the right hand side, it will become plus 5. So 3x is equal to 16 plus 5. So 3x is equal to 21. What do you mean by 3x? 3x means 3 into x. 3 into x is equal to 21. So again we have left hand side, right hand side. Again we have left hand side. Yes. Screen is clear, my dear. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Now on left hand side 3 is there in the multiplication. So when I will take 3 on the right hand side, 3 will go in the division. So x is equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So x is equal to 7. So the required number is 7. Write on this. Required number is 7. Required number is 7. Okay. Simple question. 5 is subtracted from 3 times of a number. So I will not write 5 minus 3x. I have to write 3x minus 5. Because 5 is subtracted from. So whichever number is after from, that we write first. So 3 times of a number, subtract 5, the result is 16. So 3 into x minus 5 is 16. 3 into x, 3x minus 5 is 16. 3x minus 5 is my left hand side, 16 is right hand side. On left hand side it is minus 5. So when I will take minus 5 on the right hand side, it will become plus 5. So 3x is equal to 21. So 3 into x is 21. X is 21 upon 3. X is 7. Required number is 7. Okay. Yes, simple question. Chalo, let us start 15th. Let us start 15th. What is given in 15th? Find the three consecutive natural numbers such that the sum of the first and the second is 15 more than the third. So three consecutive natural number. You tell me how you will find three consecutive natural number. Ha, ha, ha. Yes. So let us take three consecutive natural number. For example, 3, 4, 5. What is the difference between two consecutive natural number? 1, 1. Okay. So if it is three consecutive natural number, we take x plus 1, x plus 2. If it is three consecutive even number, we take the difference of 2. If three consecutive odd number, we take the difference of 2. But if it is natural number, so we write let x, comma x plus 1, comma x plus 2. My dear, what is the difference between two natural numbers, 3 and 4? What is the difference? 1. 4 and 5. What is the difference? 1. So whenever you will take three consecutive natural numbers, the difference between them should be 1. X plus 1 and x is 1. Write down. Let x, x plus 1, x plus 2 be three consecutive natural numbers. No, my dear, this is I have written for your understanding. How you should select natural number. X. Yes, next line. Let x plus 1, x plus 2 be three consecutive natural numbers. Through three consecutive natural number we take x plus 1, x plus 2. See here, now see here, three consecutive odd number, the difference will be 2, x plus 2, x plus 4. Three consecutive even number, the difference will be 2, x plus 2, x plus 4. But whenever it is three consecutive natural number or whole number, we take x plus 1, x plus 2. Now what is given in the question? Yes, what is given in the question? Now we read the condition what is given. What is given in the question? Sum of the first and second is. So sum of first plus second. Sum means plus. So sum of first and second is means equal to. Is means equal to 15 more than the third. So that means third plus 15. Is it clear? The sum of first and second is 15 more. More means plus. So 15 plus which number? Third number. So now what is my first number? Tell me. First number is x plus second number x plus 1. It is third number plus 15. Third number is x plus 2. Yes, ask the question. Because my dear, no. Why? Because see, the difference between three consecutive natural number. Tell me, if you have the natural number 3, how you will get the next natural number? By plus 1. So that is 3 plus 1. How you will get the next natural number? By adding 3 plus 1 plus 1. Na? So if this is my x, what this will be? X plus 1. What this will be? X plus 2. Okay? Understood? So the sum of first and second is 15 more than the third. So simplify. So x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 plus 15. Now we can add the like term. What do you mean by x? X means 1x. X means 1x. Okay. So what is 1x plus 1x? X plus x. 2x. So 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 plus 15 is 17. 17. This is my left hand side. and this is my right hand side. Okay, so you check your internet. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Now, 1 minute. Now 2x and x, they are like term. Like term means same variable, same power. And 1 and 17, they are like term. So I will take the like term together. So this x I will take on left side, it will become minus x. This one I will take on the right side, it will become minus 1. So 2x minus x is equal to 17 minus 1. So 2x minus x means 1x or x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. So what is asked in the question? It is asked, find 3 consecutive natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? So consecutive natural numbers are x plus 1, x plus 2. Now you put the value of x as 16. So 16 plus 1, 17, 16 plus 2, 18. So 16, 17, 18. They are 3 natural numbers. Okay. And clearly you can verify whether your calculation is correct or not. What is 16 plus 17? First plus second. What is first plus second? 16 plus 17 is 23. And 23 is equal to 33. Yes, 33. And clearly 33, the sum of first and second is 33. And what is third plus 15? 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15 is also 33. That means your calculation is correct. First plus second is equal to third plus 15. 16 plus 17 is equal to 18 plus 15. That means your calculation is correct. Chalo, now we will do 16. In this we will do all the problems. Yes, today I am recording the video and I will upload the video on the YouTube. Okay. Chalo, let us start 16th. 16th, what is given? The difference between two numbers is 7. Okay. So we write let 1 minute, my dear, 1 minute. Let the difference between two numbers is 7. See here. So what I can take? Suppose the difference between two numbers is 7. So I can take one number as x. So let x and 7 minus x be two numbers. Yes or no? Or if you want I can do it in another way. Let x and y, let x and y be two numbers. Okay. Let x and y be two numbers. Let x and y be two numbers such that x is less than y. That means which number is bigger? Tell me. Y is bigger. Yes, y is bigger. Yes, very good. My dear, you can take x greater than y. Does not matter. Because in the question it is given smaller number, no? So we have to select one of them as bigger number, smaller number. So x is less than y means y is bigger and x is smaller. Okay. Y is bigger and x is smaller. Y is bigger and x is smaller. Okay. Now see the condition what is given. The difference between two numbers is 7. So now what you will write? Two numbers are x and y. Their difference is 7. Means what you will write? Y minus x. Y minus x is 7. No. Because y is bigger. My dear, you will not write x minus y because y is bigger. So y minus x is 7. It is given. The difference between two numbers is 7. Okay. Now what is given further? What is given further? Ha, 6 times the smaller. 6 times the smaller. Which is smaller number? Tell me. X. So, so 6 times, yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. 6 times the smaller plus the larger. 6 times the smaller plus larger. What is larger? Y is equal to 77. Yes, understood this question. 6 times the smaller plus larger is 77. Okay, let us solve this. So now these two here, this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Let us solve this. Does not matter. So y minus x is 7 and 6 into x plus y is 77. Both the condition we have written. Now let us see the condition number 1. Condition number 1. What is condition number 1? Y minus x is 7. Y minus x is 7. Yes. So this is my left hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. If you see on the left hand side, it is minus x. So when I will take minus x on the right hand side, it will be plus x. Yes. So y is equal to 7 plus x. Y is equal to 7 plus x. Okay. Now this value I will put in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? 6 into x. 6 into x plus y is 77. Correct? 6 into x means 6x plus y. Y. What is y? Y, this value you will put. This value of y you will put in this. This value of y will 7 plus x. So 7 plus x is equal to 77. Yes, all of you have understood? So this value of y I will put in this. So now you take the, my dear, equation 1 is y minus x is 7. So when I will take y on the other side, it will be x on the other side, it will be y is equal to 7 plus x. Now this value of y I will substitute in this equation. In place of y I will write 7 plus x. Yes? Understood? Chalo, now you add the like term together. 6x and x. 6x plus x. There 7x plus, because my dear, in place of this y I have replaced y by 7 plus x. No. What is the value of y? 7 plus x. Now 6x plus x, like term. X means 1x. 6x plus x will be 7x. 7x plus 7 is 77. Again this is my left hand side. Again this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay, now on left hand side it is plus 7. I will take it on the right side. It will be minus 7. So 7x is equal to 77 minus 7. So 7x is equal to 70. Now what do you mean by 7x? 7 into x. 1 minute. Yes, my dear. Nobody will tell the answer. Allow me to speak. 7x means 7 into x. 7 into x is 70. Okay. So now x is equal to 70 upon 7 because this is there in the multiplication. So this will go in the division. So x is equal to 10. X is my 10. Okay. Now what is y? What is put x is equal to put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. What is my equation 1? Tell me. Y is equal to So y is equal to, what is the value of x? 10. 10 plus 7. So y is equal to 17. So now we have got two numbers. X is 10, y is 17. So two numbers are 10 and 17. Two numbers are 10 and 17. Okay? Two numbers are 10 and 17. Yes, clear? Anybody has any doubt? X is 10. X is 10. Now this value of x is equal to 10. You put in equation 1. 1 is y is equal to x plus 7. X is 10. So y will be 17. So numbers are x and y. X is 10, y is 17. Yes, clear? 17. You write it fast, one side. Okay. Now 17th, the length of a rectangular plot exceeds its breadth by 5 meter. If the perimeter of the plot is 142 meter, find the length and breadth. So what is perimeter of a rectangle? Formula 2 sum of all sides, chalo. Or there is a direct formula, 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and length plus breadth is in the bracket. Okay. So let us do 17. So draw the diagram of a rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay. This is my rectangular plot. Draw this. This is my rectangular plot. And this is length L, and this is breadth B. Now we read the condition what is given. The length of a rectangular plot exceed means more. How much it exceed? Its breadth by 5 meter. So length is 5 more than breadth. So if I will take breadth as x, what should be length? Yes? Not 5 into x, my dear. Not 5 into x. 5 plus x. Because the length exceeds the breadth by 5 meter. It is not times. Whenever it is times, it is multiplication. So the exceed means more. The length is 5 more than breadth. So if the breadth is x, what should be the length? The length should be x plus 5. Yes? Or 5 plus x. Is it clear, my dear? Yes? So the length of the rectangular plot exceed means more. So length is 5 more than breadth. So if my breadth is x, length will be 5 more, x plus 5. Now what is given in the question? The perimeter is given. Okay, so now we write perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Yes? 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Length plus breadth should be in the bracket. If you do not write the bracket, formula will be incorrect. But perimeter is given. How much? 142 meter. No. So 142 meter is equal to 2 into length. How much is length? X plus 5. X plus 5 plus breadth. Breadth is x. So 142 meter is equal to 2 into. Now simplify the bracket first. No, my dear, not 6x. How 6x? 2x plus 5. We have to add like term. So x plus x I will add. X plus x, 2x. Yes. Screen is clear, my dear. Check your, very much clear. Check the internet. You can again rejoin, no problem. My dear, no, madam, what may happen, there will be problem in your internet from your side. Because if it is blur for everybody, then I can take that there is a problem from our side. But if it is happening to a particular student, means they have to check the refresh karo, again you can join. Okay, is it clear? Screen is clear except for few students. So if see, if the problem comes to everybody, then I can assume that it is problem from our side. But if it is not applicable to all the students, that means it is clear. So do not become panic. You can again rejoin, log out, and again you tell me the request. I will admit you. Okay. So 2 into 2x plus 5. So this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay. Now in right hand side 2 is there in the multiplication. So what will happen? Tell me. 2 will go in the division. Yes. So in right hand side 2 is there in the multiplication. No. So 2 will go in the division. So 142 meter divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus 5. Yes. So now we can divide 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 71 meter. So 71 meter, 71 is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay. Meter we will write afterwards. Now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Now you tell me what will, in right hand side, no my dear, right hand side plus 5 will go on the left hand side, it will become minus 5. So 71 minus 5 is equal to 2x. 71 minus 5 means 66 is equal to 2x. 66, 2x means 2 into x. So 66 divided by 2 is x. X is equal to 33 meter. Okay. So x is equal to 33 meter. X is equal to 33 meter. Now we will write length and breadth. What is breadth? Yes, I am not erasing. So what is breadth? Tell me, what is breadth? Breadth is x, which is 33 meter. And length is 5 more. Length is x plus 5. So that is 33 plus 5. That is 38 meter. So breadth is 33 meter. Length is 38 meter. Yes, Daksh Patel, still you are facing that problem? Daksh Patel? So you can, so you send me the request, no? You log out from the group, send me the request whenever you are facing that problem, okay? Yes, ask the doubt. You can do one thing. Instead of dividing by 2, you can multiply 2 into 2x plus 2 into 5. Yes, that is also very good. Okay. Instead of dividing by 2, you can open the bracket and simplify. Both way it is there. Okay. Now, let us start 18th. Okay. Let us start 18th. Numerator of a fraction. See, you know what is a fraction? Yes. What is the fraction? Numerator up. Yes. Numerator upon denominator. That you remember. So any fraction is of the form numerator upon denominator. Okay. Let us see what is given in the question. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. Okay, so numerator is 4 less than denominator. 4 less than that. So let us take denominator as x. Let us take denominator as x. Then what will be numerator? Tell me. What will be numerator? See here. Numerator of a fraction is 4 less than denominator. So less than denominator. First I will write denominator. Not 4 minus x, my dear. Again you are making mistake. Less than denominator. 4 x minus 4. Okay. So this you remember. 4 less than denominator. So from denominator I will make less 4. X minus 4. Okay. Now what is given? If 1 is added to both. So what will be my fraction? Tell me. What will be fraction this? No. What will be x minus 4 upon x? This is my new. Wait, my dear. This is my new fraction. Okay. Now what is given in the other condition? If 1 is added to numerator and denominator both, its numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So let us solve. Chalo. If 1 is added to both, so means x minus 4 plus 1 upon x plus 1. We are adding 1 to both numerator and denominator. Then if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes half. So fraction is equal to 1 by 2. No, my dear. Yes. This is my numerator, this is my denominator. If 1 is added to both, the fraction becomes half. Simplify. X minus 4 plus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 4 plus 1 will be minus 3. X minus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now I will not tell. This is a fraction, there is a equality. Cross multiply. Equality of two fraction, cross multiply. So 2 into x minus 3. You have to multiply to the whole bracket. 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 1 into x plus 1. So open the bracket. 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 3, 6. Not minus 3, my dear. This 2 you have to multiply to each. 2 into x, 2 into 3. You have to multiply to each. Okay. Let me write one more step. So 2 into x minus 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into x plus 1 into 1. You have to multiply to each term. So 2 into x, 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. So now you take the like term together. Yes, you have to take the like term together. No, left hand side, right hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So you take x on the other side. So 2x minus x is equal to 1 plus 6. So x is equal to 7. So what is my numerator? See here, what is my fraction? So fraction is, what is fraction? Fraction is numerator upon denominator. What was numerator? Tell me. Numerator was x minus 4. And what was denominator? X. Now put the value of x. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 upon 7. 7 minus 4, 3 upon 7. So fraction is 3 upon 7. So fraction is 3 upon 7. Yes, is it clear? Yes, any doubt, anybody? No doubt?